Out here today at Aunt Berta's kitchen, 639 White Horse Pike. Let's see what she's talking about. So today we trying Aunt Berta's kitchen, 639 White Horse Pike in Haddon Township. They also have a location in Lindenwold on the White Horse Pike. So I got the mix and match platter, which gives you 2 meats and 2 sides for $18.95. Also got an extra side of cabbage for $4.50. All right, so $18.95, not a bad price. Let's see what these serving sizes is hitting for. It's my first time unmasking it. I haven't looked at it yet, and this is my first time eating here. All right, so we got the greens, we got the mac and cheese, we got the 2-piece fish. Well, it looks like more than 2 actually. It looks like 3 pieces of fish. This is the famous Cajun Jenna turkey wing. I don't know how famous it is. First time I ever heard about it. But, yeah, let's give it a shot, y'all. Let's see what's up. So the first thing we're going to try is the collard. I love me some good collard greens. They average. No, they just average. Stems and stuff in here. So I don't know if they glory. They're not bad. They just not. They not saying wow to me. They are. All right. Next thing we're gonna do. Let's try this mac and cheese real quick. I don't see no cheese pulling. Let's see. It's not bad. Again, it's not like wow, but it's not bad. You know what? Before we do that, let's see what this cabbage is. The cabbage is pretty good. I like the cabbage. She put her foot in the cabbage. Cabbage is the best thing so far. Let's cleanse our palate. We're going to try the fried fish. It doesn't say what kind of fish it is. It just says fried fish. Maybe whiting. It's not really that hot. I did drive home. I kept it in an insulated bag so I got here. It's not hot, but it's not real crispy, but it's good. It's good. Seasoning's good. It's not real salty or anything. Let's try this turkey. I'm supposed to just bite right into this joint. Let's see what's here. Everyone is good. It's moist. When I bit into it, it was nice and juicy. It wasn't dried out. It does have a nice flavor to it. I like the turkey wing. Turkey wing's good. Cabbage is good. Fish is good. The mac and cheese, average. Greens is average. I'm going to finish this off. If there's any place y'all want me to go to next, put it in the comments. Any suggestions? Where should I check out? I'm looking for some new spots. Let me know so I can come to your next one. Turkey wing is really good. I'm really feeling that turkey wing. We're going to give Aunt Berta's 7.5 big backs out of 10. I would say 7.5 big backs to try this Aunt Berta's. They would approve of this.